women need more sleep than men. As women do multitasking things and stress their brain more, they work more than men. So, they need more sleep than men. Lack of breakfast does not lead to any health problems. To sell their stock of cereals, the shops usually say in the radio that cereal is a very nutritious and very important breakfast. Sometimes they also say that breakfast is the main meal of the day. But the medical reports say that skipping breakfast does not lead to any disease, does not exist any change in weight by gaining or losing. This is just a story. Talking to friends is good for men's health. Robin Dunbar is a psychologist and director of Oxford University's Social Evolutionary Neuroscience Research Team. He says that men should have 4 or 5 friends who are loyal and meet all their friends twice a week. This can decrease their mental and physical stress and can enjoy with their friends for some time by playing sports and talking to them. Shivering in cold places may help you to lose your weight. In Sydney, scientists from a medical institute called Garvan Institute in a research found that a person loses more weight by shivering in the cold for 10 minutes than doing 1 hour workout. Previous research has found new results called brown fat, a type of fat tissue that burns fat instead of storing it. Cycling can make your immune system younger even if you are older. Scientists in the Birmingham University, they studied the bicycle riders who ride their bikes many times in a day of age 55 to 79. These scientists found that cycling prevents their energy from falling down. The levels of their fat and cholesterol are not changing. The most amazing thing in that was the people who are riding cycles, their bodies are producing immune T cells which are comparable to that of people's age of 20. By this, we can prove that cycling will make your immune system younger than your age. Being without rest can help you lose weight. Not to gain weight, people generally do some extra activities like tapping their fingers continuously, walking in circles when they are talking and so on. Generally, when they are in busy work, they will do like this. This helps them to lose weight up to 350 calories extra in a day by these minor physical activities. As per this, they will approximately lose up to 13 kgs. Biting nails in childhood is good for health. Scientists of Candian have studied about 1000 children of ages 5 to 9 and after many years they did allergy tests for everyone. Here is the point. Children who are biting nails are non-allergic and they also have a stronger immune system than others. As per the scientists, the germs that get inside the body make the immune system stronger and powerful than other children. Blood pressure may increase when there is a doctor around you. Up to 20% of the world's population has what is known as white coat syndrome. These people have a subconscious fear of doctors and their blood pressure increases when they are in a medical facility. More than that, these people seem to be calm and they don't even realize that they are afraid. This syndrome is more common in women during the first weeks of pregnancy. Fist bumps are better than handshakes. In Great Britain, Aberystwyth University researchers confirmed that while 2% give handshake to each other, 40% more germs transfer from one person to another than a fist bump. We can say that high five is also safer than handshake, but most of the scientists advise that fist bump is better than handshake. Pizza is a healthier breakfast than cereal. Many people think that this statement is not at all scientific, but it is a fact that eating pizza in the morning as breakfast is healthier than eating cereals or whole grains along with milk. An American nutritionist named Chelsea Ahmed is saying that pizza will contain fats, carbohydrates and protein, making you feel better than eating whole grains with milk. In fact, whole grains also contain carbs and sugar. In fact, this doesn't mean that you should only eat pizza in the breakfast, but it means that eating too much of cereal in the breakfast is not at all good idea. People who look younger than their age would live longer. Scientists from Denmark have studied 387 pairs of twins in their 70s, 80s and 90s and found that looking at one's face was enough to tell if a person was living to old age. In other words, if a person looks younger than their actual age, they will live longer than a person who looks older than their actual age. Scientists have proven that it can be programmed at the DNA level. Key pieces of DNA called telomeres, which represent the cell's replication ability. They are also linked to how young a person looks. So, young people have fewer telomeres. People who eat dinner or breakfast regularly in restaurants are increasing their risk of becoming obese. As we know that food in restaurants and hotels contain more fat and less nutrients. Always eating fat food will increase your weight and become so fatty. This leads to obesity. Eating restaurant food rarely is healthy, but always eating this food is not so good for you. And it's better to eat homemade food which will contain all types of nutrients including carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. They even contain fats but in a limited quantity. Eating homemade food is good and very healthy for you. So always eat homemade food. Farting will help you decrease your blood pressure and it is also good for your health. In US, Johns Hopkins University have found that fat is being produced by an enzyme from the blood vessels. Here, it relaxes them and decreases blood pressure. Doing too much is not bad, but it can be a sign of a digestive problem or inadequate diet. Yes, these foods produce gas, but they also help balance the bacteria of your stomach, which makes your gas expulsion more regular. Sitting for more than 3 hours a day can reduce a person's lifespan by 2 years. Yes, sitting for more than 3 hours a day can reduce a person's lifespan by up to 2 years, even if he or she is physically active and avoids dangerous habits such as smoking. Watching TV for more than 2 hours a day can worsen the problem, reducing the lifespan by another 1.4 years. So don't sit and work for more than 3 hours. Being away from smoking and drinking alcohol, taking healthy food and by doing physical activities can prevent 30% of cancer. Yes, in fact, it's a true statement as being away from alcohol and smoking will prevent you from many diseases that you have got from them. And smoking more can cause different types of cancers in you and it can be difficult for you to breathe. Alcohol leads you to digestive problems, liver and so on. Eating healthy food and doing exercise early in the morning can boost your immune system and always keep you healthy and away from all types of diseases or cancers. Getting less than 7 hours of sleep each night will reduce your life expectancy. We recognize that sleep plays a very important role in your day-to-day life, your overall health and even in your physical condition. Statistics show that people with sleep deprivation or lack of sleep are not only tired during the day, but they also suffer from lack of concentration. They increase their other risks like obesity, congestive heart failure and even with diabetes. Researchers of British have discovered that if anyone who have less than 5 hours of sleep increase the risk of death from cardiovascular disease. On average, people who complain will live longer. You have been thinking that how could complaining help to live longer? Some of them think that it's a curse, but it's science. According to a study conducted by a professor of psychology at Clemson University in South Carolina, complaining can make people live longer. There is a fact that being more happy will help people to live longer. According to a study, it was proved that people get their happiness by working for a certain goal. In this regard, complaints are one of the ways in which people work professionally or socially to achieve their various goals. There is a chance of 40% to lower the risk of early death with physical activities of half an hour for 6 days in a week. This statement is correct. We know that doing exercise is very good and healthy for us. By doing this physical activity half an hour for 6 days in a week will boost your immune system. This makes you healthier and by this your immune system also becomes younger. So you can decrease the risk of early death and live longer. On the other hand, physical activity, cardiovascular disease and death from any cause is associated with a 23% and 37% reduction in risk within 1 hour. If you spend more time doing intense exercise, the risk seems to be lower, falling between 36% to 49%. Finally, in overall, these data showed that 30 minutes of physical activity, either light or vigorous intensity, for 6 days a week was associated with 40% lower mortality for any cause. Eating more meat will increase your body's biological age. Eating too much red meat increases the body's biological age and contributes to health problems, new research suggests. Scientists have found that the consumption of red meat can lead to a moderate increase in serum phosphate levels in the body, combined with whole foods. If you exercise in the morning on an empty stomach, can burn 20% more fat. Researchers have conducted a test of doing exercise before and after eating breakfast. They found that the person who did exercise before breakfast, that is on empty stomach, lost 20% more fat than the person who did after eating breakfast. Thanks for watching this video.